Hello guys, good evening. Good evening. It's raining. Oh, diba? So, magbablog sana si nanay. Meron siya nag-iuhol. Pero, ang lakas ng ulan. So, since malakas ng ulan, hindi. Kakanta si nanay. Walang audio para hindi si nanay magpa-copyright. So, first time din ni nanay ito na naka-portrait yung city. Kakanta tayo guys. Samahan niyo si nanay. Kahit sintonado si nanay. Yee! Dito nakaka-skip ha. Samahan niyo si nanay guys. Makas talaga ng ulan. Talaga minaw si nanay eh. Yeah, makanta-kanta ta para dili ta mag-copyright. Sigurado wala audio. Yabag, masakot ka yabag. Yabag si nanay. Sintonado si nanay. Here go. You I know you're everything that I've been looking for. I look into your eyes and I thought that I asked for more. So it's only fair to leave it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when there's broken heart in I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me with you. You I don't know if I ever fall in love again. What's nanay diba? What's nanay og tono? This I'm scared to fly, it's such a long time. Yeah, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I can run around. I don't know, your heart is hard to let someone inside. And your arms are fair and ready now to try. Samot ang ulan. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when there's broken heart again, I know it's gonna be you. You're the one to fall me to. Though I don't know if I ever fall in love again. You fall to ever let you go. You're the last things in my life, when I know I've got to take that slow. Panay was nanay, walang na ito, walang na yung music back. Oh, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one for me to. You don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again. Sorry guys, sorry. Sintonado nga nanay. Thank you for watching. God bless guys. God bless.